Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute ring. It's a heart, shape of a heart, and this is size 7. I think this is size 7, yeah, size 7. And I made 28 herringbone stitch. So, but today I'm gonna make it smaller. So I'm gonna make 26 herringbone stitches. Okay, let's start. And this is my I only need two kinds of beads. The pearl round pearl 4 mm, and seed bead size 11, and I'll be using this thread. So let's begin. I'm gonna pick up 11 pearl, 11 and pearl, and I'll just pass through the beads one more time. This is very easy. I'm gonna make a knot. Just one more. Pass through 11, pearl, and 11. Oops. And pearl. And I can cut my tail. Pick up 5 seed beads. Pass through the pearl. Pass through 11 and the pearl. Pick up 5, 11, pass through the pearl, then pass through 11 and the pearl. Pick up 5 again, pass through the pearl, then I have to clip my project and pass through the 5, 11 that I just added. Pick up 1, pass through the 11, it's forming a shape already. Then pick up 11, pass through the 5, 11, pick up 2, 11, pass through the 5, 11, pick up 2, pass through here. Okay, it's already a heart. So I'm going to just go pass through one more time just to reinforce. Okay, from the top, I'm going to exit here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Be exiting here, and I'm going to do my herringbone. So I'll pick up 2 seed beads. Okay, then I'll pick up 4. So I pick up 6, but so I'm going to just use this 4 to do the herringbone. So I'll pass my needle, then pull. Pick up 2, pass through here, pick up 2, and I'm gonna make 26. So I have 5 already, so I'm going to make 21 more. Okay, I have my 26 herringbone. So I'm gonna pick up 2, and then so this is my middle 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna pass my needle here. So it's 1, 2 from the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exit. Pick up 2 seed beads, pass, going to just pass through all these 11. Then pick up 2, pass through 1, 2, 3. Just go back just to reinforce. Pass through all these beads. And let's see what is the size of this one. I made it a little smaller. So this is like 5. Yeah. I think 5.5. Yeah, it's 5.5. I have my little heart, sweetheart. Hey guys, don't forget to to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it. This is easy to make for beginners. Cute. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody.